Hey crew, I've got the key to this 25 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, and today we're gonna see what it's like to be chauffeured in with some help from Mobile Mama. We should experience what the Maybach has in the back seat.
We should.
But actually it's just one of us.
What do you mean?
Because one of us is going to have to drive to be chauffeured or to be the chauffeur.
Of course.
That is what we're about to find out.
I'm gonna
Whoever
win.
loses at rock, paper, scissors is going to wear that hat. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Come
Yes!
on.
Yes!
Why?
To the chauffeuring experience. Starting
Here we
now.
go.
Off you go. Bye-bye.
Here's your pillow.
Thank you. I already
You know
have
what?
one right
Actually,
here.
let me get your door.
Oh, please do.
Please get out.
I have to get out for her to get my... You know, I'm actually glad we're doing this because I was just thinking it's unacceptable for a Maybach not to have auto opening or closing doors, but now I understand why. It's so you could do me the privilege.
Oh, so I have a job.
Yes.
Thank you.
So you have a job, madame.
Thank you for choosing
You're-
this vehicle so I have a
You're
job.
very welcome. Yes, you are.
Please take a step forward.
Yes, of course. So you can open
Even
the door for
closer.
me. It's
Let me
more
help you
regal
in.
anyway. You shoved me. Why would you do such a thing? I'm going to dock your pay. Well, I'm just going to ignore that insult and make myself comfortable back here.
I really hope you didn't get too injured on that one, sir.
Thankfully for you, there were no injuries
Oh!
except to your pay. If you have any more slip-ups, shall we?
I'm paid? How
Well,
much?
You can
What
take
is-
that up with the bank.
what
I've,
is my
I've made all the
salary?
arrangements. I don't know what
I
happened.
didn't know I was paid.
Yes, well, it's been
that
in
changes
the
things.
works for quite a while now. Anyway, I want you to take me somewhere for some sustenance. I require nourishment.
Nourishment.
Yes,
and where
nourishment.
would that nourishment be?
The hangar. I want you to take me to the hangar. Toot sweet. Post haste.
Right away.
Yes, thank you. I mean, feel free to enjoy your massaging seat and your ventilation or what have you.
Oh, good sir.
Yeah.
How nice of you,
You're
too.
quite welcome. Because I have much greater features. Let's see. I'm going to fully lounge this seat. Don't mind the chair coming into your visibility line. Ooh,
Oh,
I'm
not
going
at
to
all.
I'm going to remove my shoes.
Oh, please don't.
Because
I mean, do.
Yes.
Please do.
Please do. That's
Please
what you
do.
were-
I
that's what-
love the smell of your socks. And
I would
and
never
your
have a
feet.
stench from my feet.
Never.
Never.
Because we buy you that expensive soap you like.
And the expensive Costco socks.
Yes.
Only the finest.
The biggest pack.
Largest, the greatest value, which is quite how I see this vehicle. The number of features is abundant for a mere $250,000 is tested.
Oh, is that all you paid, sir?
Yes, it's quite a bargain compared to the Cullinan that I was considering, but the funds ran out.
Did the funds run out before you decided upon my salary?
No, the
or
funds ran
after?
out upon our marriage, madame, because you quickly sucked those away from my livelihood.
Yeah,
It was. What a day. What a wonderful day that was. Till death do us part.
Oh my God.
Anyway, I do enjoy the open pore wood in this vehicle. There's quite a bit of it, and I have some here for my toes to feel out the grain of the wood. Oh, please go.
Oh,
Learn how to... Do you need the student driver course once again?
I was distracted by your lovely...
Magnificence, yes.
feet.
Magnificence is what you were
Socks.
going for. Anyway, while I have now lounged here, this is quite nice. Here I am at 6 feet tall, and I've extended all the way, and my toes are just feeling against all the leather. There's leather everywhere in this Black Edition model that I spent the extra $25,000 on.
Oh.
Let's see, I would like some massaging. Oh, the screen is so far away. What am I to do? Oh, that's right, I've got another screen. Yeah, that's much better. I'll deploy that and use my additional tablet. I will say, the ride is quite nice back here. It could be better though. Would you please put it in Maybach mode? There it is. You know what that's going to do, my dear?
Yes.
Of course you know, because you are my chauffeur. It is going to prioritize my comfort level, soften the suspension back here, And it's
destroy
also going...
mine.
Yes. It'll also make the vehicle start in second gear, so it's smoother, and you need all the help you can get in terms of smoothness. It's not swiping. Swipe. Swipe. Okay, I got to press
How
the
much
button.
did this cost? And the tech's working fine?
Yes, everything's... Well,
Okay.
I see your point. There's some delay with this screen. Now it's working just fine, but it seems to be... I don't care about the consumption of fuel. Why is it giving me that information? I'm not interested in that. I want to consume more fuel and to get to massage. Classic massage sounds good for me. If you were sitting here, I would give you a massage as well, but alas, you are not.
What?
Just practicing. Just practicing.
Just practicing your laugh, of
I'm
course.
practicing for when you do something funny, which never happens these days.
I do love this role play so much.
It's good for me, let me tell you. It's quite nice for the person back here. Now I will say, what's the fancy term for bummed out? I'm displeased. I'm quite displeased. One, that I can hear what's
Please,
going on outside the
Do
vehicle.
tell me what you're displeased with.
Quite
I love hearing it.
There isn't time, but there isn't enough time. We must get to lunch. I love the blue. Did you change the ambient lighting?
Yes, of course. I
Thank
knew
you.
you loved blue.
I am displeased that in my champagne refrigerator...
He's displeased. Shocking.
Have you made off with our champagne flutes?
I would never do that. My salary is good enough.
Oh. Tis, isn't it?
It is.
Again, just wait for the bank to clear your checks. It'll come any moment now.
It'll bounce any moment.
Yes,
It'll
well, you
bounce.
certainly will at least have provided some quality champagne back here, yes?
Of course.
It's empty!
I do think I saw Alfred around there, snooping around. So
Alfred, the gnome
yes,
that we have on our lawn? What is he doing?
He must have wanted champagne.
Did someone give him animatronics? Why is he talking and moving about? Have you been cavorting with Alfred?
You hired him.
I hired him, I bought him. He was purchased from Home Depot. He was $19.99. Where are we? This is not the hangar.
I do have some personal business to attend to.
Personal business, my
Yes.
rear end. Are you getting me
Don't
ice
worry,
cream?
sir.
I'll have the
Yes.
panda, the Kung Fu panda, please. And I would like Sonic the Hedgehog for later. Oh, he's leaving. Didn't you arrange for him to stay?
Did not. Goodbye, sir. Run away.
What are you getting?
Goodbye, sir.
Double mocha with extra whip and... Ooh, a Cayman.
Oh,
That's nice. I'll take one of those as well. Go get it for me. Buy it for me, promptly. Money. I was having
Your
a
apple
lovely
juice,
dream,
sir?
and you... What am I, 5? I wanted a mocha
I got a
double
second one.
This is ridiculous.
and this one.
That's
for
more
me.
like it. This is decaffeinated, of course, right?
Oh, of course.
I'm not convinced by your tone. I cannot handle caffeine, you know this.
Oh, you can't. I'm so sorry.
Why is my window not
I'm
going...
so sorry.
It...
Oh,
Apple juice!
No,
If this
no,
isn't
no.
organic, I'm just going to lose my gobstoppers. This is unbelievable. Yeah, more. Joke's on you, this is delicious. I think I'll keep it chilled in my cooled cup holder.
Oh, please do.
It's far too bright in here. Please
Oh,
raise my shades.
we don't want anyone to see you.
Yes,
No.
They couldn't handle it.
No, you're too gorgeous.
It's too much. What on earth are you doing? We did such disgusting
you know what I
acts
noticed?
in my presence. Are you kidding me?
And you know what I would have loved? Is a partition.
A partition would have been great.
That would have been
Hear
fantastic.
none of your dribble. I've been interested in some equestrian sports. Maybe I should buy a horse or two.
Yes, how often will you be away riding the horses?
Oh, you'll be driving me to all of the... What's the
long?
one where they...
Polo, sir.
Polo, thank you.
Wow.
Ooh, my arm is being warmed. These heaters are great, eh? Yes, my arm is being warmed right now on the support. Yes, equestrian sports. This
Yes.
is going to be your turn.
Oh, yes, sir. of
Don't
course.
run a light or I will run my mouth at you.
We've already been doing that.
Well, you'll hear more of it. You know, I did notice a charge the other day.
What
Someone had
charge?
been increasing my life insurance policy.
So,
Why?
Alfred must have been doing that
The
also.
gnome,
Have you
again?
talked to Alfred?
I have, just yesterday, we had a lovely conversation on the lawn. Are we here?
Yes, sir.
Lovely. Well, where's your cap?
What? Allow me, sir.
Please. Thank you. Yes, I think I'll have this. Money, please. One of my cards are missing. Now that I'm sure you didn't mess up my order, what's happening? It's going awfully aggressive. Chewing.
Wouldn't want you to spill on yourself, sir.
No, of course not.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. The violence. Well, I'm not going to let your... What are you doing? What are you...
Oh,
Goodness gracious.
I'm sorry, sir. I just wanted to feel the
hummus.
horses since you love horses so much. You know what you should do, darling? I mean,
What?
sir.
What?
Find a new chauffeur.
Yes. What? Why would... Oh my gosh. She is so fired.
Who's rich now?